Good morning, students. Today we start our mini question of exercise 9.3. In this exercise, the question number 4 is the fourth term of GP is square the second term. This means A4 is equal to A2 square, and the first term is Man's 3. Determine its seventh term. So A4 is AR 4 cube and A2 is AR. So this is AR cube, A square, R square. One A is cancelled, R square is cancelled. So R is equal to A. Value of A is Man's 3. So A7 is AR 7 times 1, which is 6. A is Man's 3. R is Man's 3 power 6, which is 729. So Man's 2187 is the seventh term of the GP. In question number 1, first part is which term of GP is 128. In this, A is the first term, which is 2, and the common ratio is A2 upon A1, 2 under root 2 upon 2. These two cancel out, so this is root 2. An is equal to 128. Formula of An is AR whole power n minus 1. Value of A is 2, R is under root 2, n minus 1, which is 128. So this under root 2 is 2 power half, and when we divide this by 2, we get 64. As we know, 64 is 2 power 6. So n minus 1 upon 2 is 6, n is 12 plus 1, 13. So the 13th term of this GP is 28. In question number 2, root 3 under root 3 is 729. In this, the first term is root 3. Common ratio is 3 upon root 3. We write 3 as 3 root 3 whole square. So this cancel out. This is under root 3. And An is 729. An is AR power n minus 1. Value of A is root 3. Value of R is under root 3. N minus 1, which is 729. These two bases are same. So we add these two powers, this cancel out. Under root 3, we write 3 power n by 2, and this is 3 power 6. So n by 2 is equal to 6, n is equal to 12. So the 12th term of GP is 729. In the next question, the statement is 1.3, 1.9, 1.27 is 19683. In this, A is 1.3, R is A2 upon A1, which is 3 upon 9, 1 by 3. So An is AR power n minus 1, 19683. A is 1.3, R is n minus 1. Multiply this 1.3 4 power n minus 1 this is 6 5, this is 6 1. So 1 6 5 6 1 is equal to 1 by 3 power n. When we factorize this, 6 5 6 1 divided by 2 187, this is 729, 243, this is 81, 27, 9, 3 3 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 1/3 power 8, 1/3 power n minus 1. This is n minus 1. As the base are equal, so powers are equal, n is equal to 9. In the next question, for what value of x the numbers are in GP? For this, the first term is minus 2 by 7, and first term is this. We find first R1, which is x2 by R2 by R1, 7x upon 2, and R2 is A3 upon A2, which is 7 upon 2x, and in GP R1 is equal to R2. This means 7x upon 2 equals to 7 by 2x. This cancel out, so x square equals to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. This is the value of x. After this, we have sum of GP. Sum of GP. For sum of GP, there are two formulas. If the common ratio is greater than 1, then the sum of GP is a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. If the r is less than 1, then the sum of GP is a 1 minus r n upon 1 minus r. In the question number 7, find the sum of 20 terms. This is the given GP, in which a is the first term 0.15, r is the common ratio 0.15, this is 15, these two zeros 3 means 10, this cancel out. So 0.1 is the common ratio, 0.1 is less than 1, so sum of GP is Rn upon 1 minus r. So value of a is 0.15, r is 1 upon 10, 0.1, and 1 minus 1 upon 10. So this is 0.15, this is 10 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10. This is the sum of the 20 terms. When we find 20 terms, put the value of n 20 here. This is 20, 0.15 into 10 by 9, 1 minus 1 upon 10 whole power 20. This is the sum of the GP. And the next question statement is find the sum of the GP. The given GP is under root 7, under root 21, 3 root 7. Find the sum of n terms. For this, a is root 7, common ratio is root 21 upon root 7. This is root 3 into root 7 by root 7. This cancel out. This is under root 3. As we know, under root 3 is 1.732, which is greater than 1. So Sn is a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. In this, a is root 7, r is root 3, n minus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1. When we rationalize this is under root 3 plus 1, 7. We write this is n upon 2 minus 1, and under root 3 plus 1. This is the identity, a square minus b square, 3 minus 1. So under root 7 upon 2, 3 power n by 2 minus 1, and under root 3 plus 1 is the sum of this GP. Thanks.